Imagine capturing your adventures with a clarity that feels almost like stepping back into the moment itself. From sunrise hikes to action-packed water sports, every detail, every color, every movement preserved effortlessly. Today, we're exploring a camera designed to do just that. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we take the guesswork out of tech investments, offering calm, unbiased, and professional insights you can truly rely on. In this review, we'll be diving deep into the GoPro Hero 12 Black, a premium action camera engineered for adventurers, content creators, and anyone who values capturing life in its most vibrant form. If you're someone who wants cinematic quality video, rugged reliability, and effortless versatility in a compact device, this review is for you. The purchase link is conveniently located in the description and pinned comment, so you can explore it further as we go through the details. Reason number 1. Unmatched image quality. The Hero 12 Black shoots at 5.3K 60 Ultra HD, delivering 91% more resolution than 4K and over 600% more than traditional 1080p. Coupled with a 27MP sensor, every frame is crisp, vibrant, and immersive. High dynamic range, or HDR, ensures both shadows and highlights retain rich detail, so whether you're filming a sun-drenched landscape or a dimly lit room, the footage is dynamic and true to life. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this is the kind of image quality that turns ordinary adventures into cinematic moments. Reason number 2. Industry-leading stabilization. GoPro's HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization continues to set the benchmark. Awarded an Emmy for its sensor and software stabilization, this camera smooths out even the most chaotic motion. Auto Boost enhances stabilization without excessive cropping, so whether you're biking down rugged trails, skiing at high speed, or chasing your kids through the park, the footage remains fluid, professional, and ready to share. This level of control significantly reduces post-production stress. Reason number 3. Rugged, waterproof, and adventure-ready. The Hero 12 Black is built to endure. Waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters, and constructed with GoPro's legendary rugged design, it thrives in mud, snow, or water. A water-repelling lens cover minimizes lens flare and artifacts, ensuring your video remains clear in challenging conditions. For outdoor enthusiasts, extreme sports athletes, or travelers, this camera is a dependable companion you can take anywhere, confident it will withstand the elements. Reason number 4. Versatile shooting modes. Whether you're capturing cinematic B-roll, fast-paced action, or even vlogs, the Hero 12 Black adapts effortlessly. It offers a range of frame rates and resolutions, HDR for both video and photo, and the ability to extract stunning 24.7MP stills from video using the GoPro Quick app. This flexibility means you don't need multiple cameras to achieve professional results, consolidating your gear while expanding creative possibilities. Reason number 5. Compact and travel-friendly design. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Hero 12 Black remains compact and lightweight, perfect for mounting, carrying, or even wearing. It includes the Enduro rechargeable battery, optimized for cold weather performance, plus a range of mounting accessories, such as the curved adhesive mount and mounting buckle. The compact form factor makes it ideal for POV shots, drone integrations, or backpack adventures without adding bulk. Reason number 6. Seamless connectivity and live streaming. This GoPro doubles as a webcam and supports live streaming, making it ideal for content creators who require instant broadcasting without compromising quality. Pairing with the GoPro Quick app is simple, and the device supports intuitive touch controls for managing settings on the go. With wireless connectivity and smart app integration, capturing, editing, and sharing content is straightforward, professional, and efficient. Reason number 7. Long-term reliability and ease of use. The Hero 12 Black is designed for longevity, with durable hardware and firmware updates that keep it current. Its user interface is intuitive, and every component, from the battery to the mounts, is engineered to last. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it delivers a premium ownership experience that balances high performance with ease of operation, ensuring it remains a valuable tool for years to come. Final verdict: the GoPro Hero 12 Black stands out as a truly versatile, rugged, and high-performing action camera. Limitations are minimal. For instance, professional filmmakers may still prefer larger sensors in cinematic lenses for ultra-low light conditions. However, for adventurers, extreme sports enthusiasts, and content creators seeking a compact, powerful camera that delivers cinematic 5.3K footage with unmatched stabilization, this is an exceptional choice. It excels in both durability and image quality, ensuring your memories are captured with precision and clarity. If capturing every adventure in stunning detail matters to you, the Hero 12 Black is a confident, reliable choice. Invest with intention, explore your creativity, and know that each moment will be recorded with professional-grade fidelity.